Hello everyone, welcome back to my videos. Like I said in my previous video, this is a video on showing you how to install a virtual cable so you can use your OBS settings for your audio, your microphone across other applications like Discord or whatever you use your microphone for, Audacity, anything like that. So the first thing you want to do is go to the link in the description to this, the VB audio software. I'll have it linked in the description so you can just go ahead and get it through there. You download here. Extract to documents, new folder. It'll be there. Documents. You find it here. What you want to go down and do is click VB cable setup x64. That's if you have a 64-bit system. If you have a 32-bit system, you do this one. I've got 64-bit. And for you, it'll come up and it'll just say install driver. I've already got it, so I don't need it, but it'll just say install driver, like that. From there, you want to go into OBS. You want to click on this. No, settings. Go into audio and click monitoring device and find cable input. It's important. Cable input. You click that, apply, OK. And you click mic and auxiliary, advanced audio properties, mic and aux, like I said in the last video. And you do monitor and output. Click that. And then click close. And to do this, you have to obviously keep OBS open at all times. But from there, I'll show you how to activate it in Discord. Once you install the driver, you might want to go into your sound and put it back to your normal audio, because it'll go into the other one automatically. So you go into your Discord settings, you click voice and video, and then you click cable output. You see how it's picking up my voice, and then it's not. Like, that's the noise gate I talked about in the last video, and that is how you do it. That's how you do it for any application. You just do the input device and put it onto the cable output, and through that you will have your OBS settings for your audio on whatever software you'd like to use it for. You could also just set it as your default. You go to sound, microphone, you can just set it as your default output device. So every application you use, it'll just use cable output. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for dropping by.